A push-pull legs workout is a great way to structure your routine, targeting different muscle groups effectively. Here's a well-balanced PPL workout. Congratulations, your push workout is finished.
Bros before hoes. Yeah, I ain't got no need for contraception. Put my bros before my hoes, that's no misconception. Have more money I can blow, so I'm gonna send it. New PlayStation and a whole new porn collection. That's what I got, no girl, it's a miracle. Now I'm running up the game like a clinic score. I can focus on myself, egotistical. Don't need anybody else, unconditional. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. Got no cheek to spend my shit, more money I can blow. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. I got a million problems, but a bitch ain't want no more.
Great, your pull workout is finished.
bros before hoes. Yeah, so we roll up to the club at 7. 6 dicks, no chicks, so we straight flexing. Bouncer is a piece of shit, says we need a 7. Told us that we need a chick, and she must be present. Fuck that, man, we learned our lesson. Got no worries, such as getting hella females pregnant. So we cross the street, get slushies at 7-Eleven. Back home to play a couple games of League of Legends. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. Got no cheap to spend my shit, more money I can blow. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. I got a million problems, but a bitch ain't want no more. Let's go! And all I fucking know is I got my bros and wherever we're going, you know we own it. All I fucking know is I got my bros and wherever we're going, I put my bros before.
If you need this routine, you can go to the description box and take a screenshot from there. If you want a good shoulder workout and arms workout, then check out these videos. If you like them, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected.